In this week's product review, we've got the Motul air filter wash kit. This really is a must-have if you're someone that looks after their air filters. It's got everything you need to wash and clean your air filter in this one bucket. Okay, let's see what's in the air filter wash kit. First of all is the bucket that it comes in. Then you've got the foam filter cleaner. This is fantastic because the initial clean is it takes away all the oil and grime out of the air filter, and all you got to do is rinse it off in water and it comes up, the air filter comes up looking like brand new. You also get a container for any excess air filter oil once you rinse out your air filter. Get some grease to put around the rim of the air filter. Some gloves, going to need more than one set of gloves though. Air filter oil of course, and you also get this rack that sits in the bottom of the bucket there. You pour the air filter cleaner into the bucket, and then what that does is when you clean your air filter, all the dirt and sediment goes to the bottom of the bucket, and then you're not rinsing your air filter in all the dirt and grime that has been in there before. It's a great idea, keeps everything nice and clean, and then the job's done. Let's face it, everyone hates cleaning air filters, but this kit has everything in it to make it so much easier. It should be in your garage. Go and check it out at your local dealership.